owns the intellectual property rights in a photo or a video? Is it the photographer or is it the client? Hi guys, welcome to my video. Let's talk about ownership of copyrights in a photo or a video. I heard a story some time ago about what happened between a content creator and a client who requested that the content creator come and take her some videos and photos for her brand. So they agreed on a certain sum, and the client transferred a part of the sum to the content creator with the agreement that after the shoot, she was going to transfer her the balance. So the content creator came and they did all the shoots. But when it was time to pay her balance, some things came up and there was going to be a delay in the payments, and the content creator was not going to have any of it, and she deleted all the photos and the videos. The client was not aware at that time. It was later when she got home and she found out that the pictures and the videos from that day's shoot were nowhere to be found. When she reached out to the content creator to ask why, the content creator told her that she wasn't going to have it, that they were supposed to keep to the agreement of paying her balance immediately after the shoot was over. The client got angry and was like, but the phone, the camera used for that purpose was her own phone, her iPhone 16 that she gave to the content creator. So did she actually have the rights to delete all those photos and videos because she took them? If you were in that kind of situation, how are you going to respond? Or how are you going to advise the client and the content creator in this scenario? Now come with me as I tell you what the law says about this. So what does the law say? Now let me read to you section 28 of the Copyright Act so you can know exactly what the law says about a scenario like this. Except as otherwise provided in an agreement, copyrights conferred by this act shall initially vest in the author. So the ownership of the copyright actually belongs to the author, which in that scenario is the content creator. There has also been a court of appeal ruling on this, that when a photographer takes a photo or a video, the rights of that photo and video belong to him. It should let you know that the ownership of any content between the photographer and the client is actually the photographer. But in a situation like this that is kind of dicey, it may not be all that straightforward. How then is the client supposed to be protected for their photos and videos? Now, this very section I read out to you has already spelled the way out and agreements. Before you contact a content creator to come and create content for you, make sure that you have an agreement transferring all the rights in all the content that will be created over to you. Make sure you have an agreement. Make sure the content creator agrees to it. In an agreement, what you can do is to either transfer the ownership to yourself as a client or make it shared, such that the photographer will not be prevented from making use of those properties in marketing his own business. And you also will not be prevented from using those properties in the way and manner you want to use them. Hope this enlightens you on what your rights are in a situation like this. As for the content creator and that client, in the story I shared, the creator was being excessive in enforcing her rights. It's something that a simple dialogue would have been able to resolve, or rather the intervention of an independent superior to mediate between both parties. Her payment was being delayed, not like it was not going to be paid. So please, if you're a content creator out there, try not to be excessive. It's all about dialogue so that both sides can be adequately catered to. If you have further questions or you need help or assistance in reviewing your contract, kindly drop a comment in the comment section or send us a direct message on WhatsApp and we'll be very happy to attend to you. Watch out for the next video for more useful tips like this, and I'll see you. Bye.